Hello, everybody, and Happy New Year. Here's my fresh design of 2023. This t-shirt is called the Fruits of the Spirit. You see that? It comes in all colors, all shapes, all sizes. Red, white, black, blue, pink. I'm making this for myself, but of course, this is a three quarter, excuse me. This is a three quarter sleeves, on both arms. But I just have it on the table because I'm about to finish the last finishing touches. So this is called Fruits of the Spirit. I'm going to put that right up there, or I think I just leave it blank and you can figure it out. You see fruits, you see tree, and you see some words on it. If you are familiar with the fruits of the Spirit from the Bible, then I shouldn't have to even put up here fruits of the Spirit. You should figure it out. But for those of you who don't know, or those of you who might want to wear it like an advertisement and help to promote the fruits of the Spirit, at the same time help to promote my business, Compliments of Heaven, bring me more customers. Wonderful. I'm going to have two different designs. I'm going to have this design. Then I'll have another design that's going to have it right there across, right above the tree. It's going to have Fruits of the Spirit. Happy New Year. You can go to my website and place your order. I need a day or two to put this on the website. But if you don't see it on the website, just shoot me a quick email or a text message and say you want your Fruit of the Spirit t-shirt. They come in t-shirt, coffee mug, t-shirts, coffee mugs, hats. What else? Doormat, plate mats, even baby onesie. I can make one for baby's onesie. Since the weather is kind of warm, I can do this on hoodie, sweatshirts. You just name it. What else we need? Pillows for your living room, pillows for your bedroom, decorative pillows. Yep. I can buy some decorative pillows and put this on there. These can be there if that's what you want. Fruits of the Spirits. I'm working on another design where I'm going to use the same design, but what I will do is I will try to get different colors, make the fruits to match their natural colors in nature. But this took me the whole entire weekend to do, 2 days. It's a lot of painstaking, individually cutting out these things, individually placing them together, individually design. I did this one by one, cut them off and then put them on a t-shirt. The fruits, I designed them, cut them up, put them on the t-shirt. The words, I did the same thing individually. Those words are individually placed there. The fruits are individually placed there. So it's not like a whole, you just put one sheet and cover it. So these are individually, painstakingly done, but I think they're very beautiful. This is my own t-shirt. I'm going to wear this. But of course, this is advertisement. Don't forget, place your orders at Compliments of Heaven. If you don't see the orders, the t-shirt there today or tomorrow, text me or email me and give me some time to get it there. Thank you so much. I appreciate your orders.